Hey, I've got a tutorial for my last trick where I found your card in less than 4 seconds. So here we go. So you give it a good shuffle. Good cut. There's no setup in this card trick at all, okay? And then I actually show you the cards. I show you there's nothing going on. And then I point out even the end cards. I could use those, but I'm going to give it a cut so you can see there's nothing going on. And then I give it a cut so I don't know what the end cards are at all, okay? Okay, then I spread it out. Have you pick a card. So let's just say you pick this card today. So I would show it like this, and I do not know the card at this time, but I'll find it in a moment, and I'll show you how. But at this moment, I would not know what the card is. But for the tutorial, we'll drop it. So it's the 9 of diamonds, okay? So I set it on top. Here's the only move you have to make. When you square up, you quickly look at the card on the bottom, and that is the 7 of diamonds, okay? 7 of diamonds. So there is a key card, but I just did it a little bit later in the trick and tried to explain how I'm not using a key card. Get them thinking, okay? So it's all set up now. So all I have to do, your card's here. When I cut them, I put the 7 on top of the 9, okay? It's that simple. So now all I have to do is know where that 7 is and everything's fine. Now I did add one more thing. Well, we did cut them. You can cut them. And that is not going to really change. All it does is change the starting point. But you can still see the 2 cards are right next to each other. Okay, right here. The 7 and the 9. So we got that. Now, this is the risky part. I give it a shuffle. Now, if you're a really good shuffler, you're going to separate those cards. But if you're not that good, and I'm really not that great, I'd say 75% of the time, those cards will stay together. So let's just see. But it is a little risky. Just a kind of a sloppy shuffle. Then I do a little bit of magic. And then I go through, and in 4 seconds, so I go like this real fast. But just for your sake, I'm just going to go, all I'm doing is looking for that 7 of diamonds. Of course, it's all the way at the bottom. And there they are. And I look at the 7 of diamonds, and I know your card is the 9 of diamonds. Okay, so let me do it again. So I go, okay, on your mark, get set, go. And then I just go through real quick. Find that. Your card's right there. And actually, in my trick, it flipped upside down, which was even better. And then you flip it and go. Your card was the 9 of diamonds. So I hope that explains the trick. Go back and watch it. Thanks for your support. I appreciate it, and have a great day.